How to delete an Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your Instagram account directly from the app on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap your profile at the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right to open Settings, then tap Account Center. At the bottom, tap Manage Accounts, find your Instagram account, and tap the Manage button right next to it. Tap Deactivation and Deletion, select the account you want to remove if you have more than one linked, then choose Delete Account and tap Continue. On the next screen, you'll see everything you'll be losing access to. Your Threads account, all your followers, posts, stories, and saved items will all be permanently removed. Tap Continue once you've gone through it. Choose a reason for leaving from the list and tap Continue. One thing worth knowing before you confirm: if you want a copy of your data, make sure to export it before going any further. And if you still want access to Messenger, deletion won't work for you. You'll need to deactivate instead. Once you're ready, enter your password on the next screen to confirm and kick off the deletion. Keep in mind you have a 30-day period where you can still log back in and cancel. After that, your account and everything on it is gone for good, with no way to bring it back. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your Instagram account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.